Greetings, scholars. In this lesson, you will learn how to use the US algorithm for double by single digit multiplication. Let's get started. So let's say you are solving a word problem and you have a friend named Bob. And Bob has 17 cereal boxes. If each box has 3 prizes inside, how many prizes does Bob have in all? So for this problem, we would have to do 17 times 3. 17 boxes, 3 prizes in each. You could do 17 plus 17 plus 17, but we're moving up to the next level. 17 times 3 is much faster. So now, what we would do with the US algorithm is we would multiply. This 3 is going to stay the same. Is going to stay multiplied by both numbers. You'd multiply the ones place times the top ones place. 7 times 3 is 21. The 2 goes up here and the 1 goes down here. Just like our US algorithm with addition, when you have a number 21, you're actually writing it like this. So you have 21. Then you're going to do 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. And you're going to add that carried 2. Yes, it might sound confusing. Why am I adding in a multiplication strategy? But that is the shorthand algorithm strategy. So you have 3 times 1 plus that carried 3, and you have, that is 5. So then your answer is 5. Your product is 5. Your product is the answer to a multiplication equation. Let's look at this again. So we multiplied the ones place times the ones place. We recorded our answer. Ones place times the tens place, and add the carried number. Yes, we are adding in a multiplication strategy. So it might be confusing, but let's look at it. So again, that 3 gets multiplied up times the 7. So ones place times the ones place. 3 times 7 is 21. The 2 goes here in the tens place, and then 1 goes here. And I am intentionally writing this 3 under this 7, ones place under the ones place. So you have 3 times 7, that's 21. You write your 21 like that. Then you multiply over, again, that 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 2, 3, 4, 5 is 51. So your product is 51. Okay. Let's look at another example. So let's say we have 31 times 4. What happens when the number doesn't spill over? So you multiply up. 4 times 1. Are you with me? 4 times 1 is 4. Anything times 1 is itself. And you multiply over. Notice this does not have anything spill over. Nothing. There's no carried number here. So you just write the 4 right in the ones place. 3 times 4. 4 times 3, excuse me, is 12. Same thing. Is 100 is 12. So then your answer is 124. And let's look at that one more time. You multiply up, you get 4, multiply over 12. Your answer is 124. Let's look at this one. This one is a little harder. If you do not know your facts, I want to encourage you, practice those multiplication facts. If you have cards, go online, but learn your facts up to the 12s. It's really going to make your life easier. It helps with multiplication, harder multiplication, division, harder division. Set yourself up for success. Again, that 7 is going to be multiplied by both numbers. So you multiply ones place times the ones place. 7 times 8, 56. Put the 5 up here, the 6 in the ones place. Then you multiply over. 7 again times that 5 is 35 plus that 5. So 7 times 5 plus 5. 35 plus 5 is 40. So then your answer is 406. That is the strategy in a nutshell. It is your turn. Pause the video at this point. Solve 34 times 2. See how you do with double by single multiplication using the US algorithm. How did you do? I hope you unpaused it and you came back. Let's check your work. I'm hoping you are keeping up here. 2 times 4 is 8. Does that spill over or have a number carry over? No. Then you multiply over 2 times 3 is 6. So then your answer is 68. So it's almost like you're doing 30 times 2, which is 60, and 4 times 2, which is 8. So let's look at this. Again, it's going to be similar to 4 times 8 plus 60 times 8. Let's look at that. Oh, excuse me, it's your turn. So I'm going to let you pause at this point, and you're going to solve this. All right, and we're back. How did you do? Unpaused, ready to go. You multiplied 8 times 4, and you should have had 32. If you know your multiplication factor, you're going faster. If not, you just keep counting. 8, 16, 24, 32. Then you multiply, record your answer, 3, 2. Remember, 32, but you write it like this, so you have your 30, your 2. Then you're going to multiply the 8 times the 6. Over now. 8 times 6 is 48. Plus that 3, 48, 49, 50, 51. So you write 51 right here. 512 is your answer. Did you get it right? Let's go on. If not, you might want to redo those, rewatch the first part, come back, try it again. Last one, okay. Pause and solve. And we're back. You paused, you unpaused, you wrote down your work. Now you're going to check to see if you got it right. 5 times 2 is 10. That spills over, so put the 1 here, your 0 down here. Then you multiply over 1's place times the 10's place now. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 1, your carried number, is 31. So your answer is 310. I hope you did that correctly and got the right answer. In this lesson, you learned how to solve double by single multiplication problems using the US algorithm. How do you feel about the US algorithm with multiplication? So we have it with addition, we have it with subtraction, now it's multiplication. This is a short form of it, kind of make it quick, simple. Thumbs up, you're like, oh, I get this. 1's place times the 1's place, record your answer. 1's place times the 10's place, add the carry, write your answer down. I get it. Thumbs in the middle, I can start to understand it. I know what I have to do, I just have to keep practicing. Or thumbs down, I don't get it, I don't understand it, I'm not sure why we're carrying this or this is adding here, because it was confusing that we are adding within the multiplication strategy. Go back, watch the video as many times as you can. It's a great strategy to get your answers quickly and easily. Thank you for watching.